Gaobo 12-station fully automatic digital wire harness machine. This 12-station, fully automatic digital wire harness machine is engineered for high efficiency, high precision batch processing of wire harnesses, ideal for automotive, industrial control and home appliance sectors, featuring 12-wire parallel operation or 12 functional stations. It integrates cutting, stripping, crimping, waterproof plug insertion, inspection and sorting in one seamless workflow. With a digital control system and touch screen, it enables precise parameter setting, program storage and quick changeover.